my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what I have today? Chances are you've already seen the video that shows our new club and die stamp set right there. Now, I could not just stop at one 4x6 and one die set. I went crazy on this die and stamp set. So I'm ready to share with you the other items. So there are the stamps and the dies that match. Then I added another die set, and this one's really fun because this one will make the eyes say, "You are so cool." Then there are stars, there's diagonal stripes, there are horizontal stripes, and then of course we needed stamps that match those. Similar but different. And so now we have stars. If you want to do the stamps instead, stars or stripes or diagonal stripes or flowers, right? Then what about the frames? We need to decorate the frames, am I right? Look at that. Boom! Frame patterns, frames, pattern frames, frame patterns. So fun. So we have the outline, and then we have stripes or dots or flowers. So much fun. I went crazy on this one. I loved this one. Now, I have a lot of samples to share with you, but I have one other item that we are releasing today as well, and you might already have this item. Remember the triplet 3 flower? It is no longer being made by the other company, and we are bringing it back to life. We've had so many requests for this flower, and when you see the samples, you'll know why we had so many requests. But this is it. It was originally called the triplet 3 flower. We have a new name for it. We're calling it, I believe Pretty Daisy, just to make it different. But if you have the triplet 3 flower, do not buy this. Okay? You're only allowed to buy this if you don't have that one. But you're gonna love this if you don't have it. So if you don't have it, you have to buy it. Just saying. Let me share my samples with you. Let's look at the flower samples first. That's a gorgeous one, first of all. Look at what that grid one with the circle grid. I love that. Now, let's see if I can find my other flower ones before we jump into, oh, here they are, they're hiding. Here's another one, You Are So Kind. I love that. Here's one, Hugs to You. Look at how pretty watercolored flowers. Oh gosh, look at this one. Look at this one on black. Isn't that pretty? I love that. Here's another one with our circle background. So fun. So go check out those, because if you don't have them, you're going to want them. Now let's look at the sunglass ones. Here you are so cool. Isn't that fun? They totally cut them out. I love that. Here is a flip it with Steffi doll with the mirror look. Oh, here's one with dots. Now this one is probably one of the most simple ones, but it really shows the product. Look at that. Look at how gorgeous those solid images do when you use our ink pads. Look at the pattern images. Aren't those fun? I know, you're just kind of going, whoa, look at all the ideas I have in my mind. Now you could do some Hollywood looking ones. You could do some summer vibes ones. Look at this, I have so much fun. Oh, I think I already showed that one. Oh, here's some sunglasses on our pineapple fold it. Here are some pattern sunglasses. Here are those fun stripes. Look at this. I know, my design team went crazy, didn't they? Oh, here's with cute little flowers on the inside. Here are those cute little glasses. Ooh, and look at this one, glitter paper. Wow, you are so cool. Now, club members, of course, you get the discounts on these products, and if you're not in the club, you are missing out. You have to join. You're missing out. There's too much fun here. You get a 15% discount on our website off of everything. So go check it out. Now, if I went too fast on any of these, don't worry, because you know why? They're all in our online gallery on our website. Go click on the product you want to see in the gallery, click on the gallery button, boom. All the ideas using that product will pop up. Go check it out. There's over 25,000 ideas, all organized by Stamp and Die Set. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.